Our growth is coming from a new asset, which we call co-living, co-working, but our biggest growth is definitely coming from the innovation part, from the part that is covered by PropTechs, by young tech companies, but also by corporates who have a stronger digital strategy in their vision and who are working actively with tech companies.
So I think the residential trend is something we're seeing right across Europe. It's interesting because it plays into a couple of different trends. One being urbanisation, which is clearly ongoing, a very important trend for real estate. The other one more to do with investor preferences, that they're aware that maybe we're at a mature stage of the cycle and they're looking for more structural themes rather than cyclical themes, and that plays to that too.
We had a 60 billion plus turnover into commercial real estate last year. And investors come from all over the place, strong demand from Asian investors.
We're certainly seeing an increasing appetite for UK and Europe generally. A lot of these investors are looking at it from a diversification point of view, but also in relation to the UK there's potentially a currency upside there. But I think very quickly they're going to start looking at European platforms and growing across a number of the continental European cities.
A lot of the European markets are looking very keenly priced. The yields are quite low, so we will always try and find really well-located buildings where there's maybe short income, and because of the very low vacancy rates across Europe, the opportunities and belief that we have in rental growth going forward and the liquidity of exiting those assets when they're let is there.
Offices is always appealing. It's the traditional sector, and logistics, I think, out of the traditional sectors is still very, very favourable around the region. However, we are seeing more and more money go into what I call the cradle to grave asset classes, whether that's nurseries, student housing, co-living and senior living.
We are market leader in the micro-living segment in Germany. Our clients have asked for flexibility in how they live and in how they work. Therefore, for each and every generation, we are preparing products that serves them.
We ended last year with 2,095 exhibitors and 45,000 participants. That is a lot of density, a lot of contact and a lot of dialogue.